Hello, everybody. Happy Monday to all of you, and welcome to Logos College Online Learning. Today is Monday, and we are going to learn about reading to, of course, your Teacher Eric. And I hope everyone is feeling better today, and hope I hope also that everyone is ready to learn, to read, and to study. Let's start. Today, we are going to talk about autism. Autism, or some people call this autism spectrum disorder, refers to a broad range of conditions characterized by challenges with social skills, repetitive behaviors, speech, and nonverbal communication. Autism also affects one or two people per 1,000 worldwide. People with autism often make repetitive movements, need to follow precise rules, and are uncomfortable with change. Sometimes they find it difficult to interact with people. Many autistics have strong visual skills. Again, many autistics have strong visual skills. Next is Savant Syndrome. Savant Syndrome is not well understood. A savant is a person with incredible mental abilities. A small number of autistics have savant abilities. Savants have incredible memories and are often superior artists and musicians. However, like people with autism, they may suffer many mental, emotional, or physical problems. So that is the seventh syndrome. Another information here is about synesthesia. What do you mean by this? Synesthesia involves making connections between senses. So, what are these senses? As we know, senses of hearing, sense of sight or using our eyes, sense of smell through our tongue, sense of smell by using our nose, and sense of touch by using our hand. So it is unconscious and unplanned. People with synesthesia may be able to remember a lot of information by associating words with colors, sounds with colors, numbers with colors, or words with taste. Most people with this condition say it is not unpleasant, although they may have right left hand confusion and difficulty with mathematical and special abilities. So that is synesthesia. Why are we talking these things? Because we are going to read about the extraordinary abilities of Daniel Tammet or Tammet. Now, before reading, we will learn also, this is one of the reading strategy. This is called retelling to monitor understanding. If we are reading something, one of the best strategies is retelling, but not exactly telling words for words. You are using your own words after reading a text. That is the best or one of the best strategies to measure your comprehension. How do you understand of what you have read? So as what I tell you today, retelling a text is a way for readers to monitor their understanding. To retell, follow these steps. Number one, read a text or part of a text. So you need to read something. Next, without looking at the text, tell another person, what do you have read, using your own words. So this is very important in reading. This is one of the difficulties that you may have, because when someone asks you to retell a story or any other information from different articles or news articles, but most of us, we can just like use or reuse the words of what we have read. In order for us to understand, it is very important or necessary for us to tell in different way, not necessarily that we are using the same words. So we can also use our own words in order for us to understand better. Okay. Okay, as what I've said, retelling a text is very important. So after reading this article, I want to challenge everyone to retell this this text that we're going to read today. We're going to retell to someone. I will challenge everyone. Okay. Now, this information is about the extraordinary abilities of Daniel Tammet. So here is the picture of him. Okay. But before reading, I want you to learn these words. Yes. Words, these words, vocabulary words used in this text here about Daniel Tammet. First two words, coordination and will. Coordination is the ability to use different parts of the body together smoothly and effectively. So shall we say, for example, you can use or you can have a good coordination with your hand and or your speaking ability to your hand, something like that, or your mind to your handwriting. So this is a coordination with two things. All right, and then will. This is we have different meaning of will, yeah, but in this information, we are going to use this will as the ability to decide on something and take actions. So this is the meaning of will here that we're talking about. Next, overcome and shattering. Overcome is you are going or you are succeed in daily or dealing with problems or difficulties. So that's overcome. All right. Shattering. Shattering is the breaking or destroying, or can be upsetting or shocking. All right. Eloquence. Eloquence is you are fluent or very good or excellent or fluent or persuasive speaking or writing. So that is eloquence. Unwanted. Unwanted is not or no longer desired. You don't want it anymore. Yeah, unwanted. Prime. Prime is from which another thing may derive or proceed. Pi. Pi, this is the 16th letter of Greek alphabet. Or this is here that we're talking about here is about a numerical value of the ratio of the circumference of a circle. Approximately is 3.14. So that is pi. Next two words, texture and condensation. Texture is the way that a surface feels when you touch it. Okay? And condensation is the water that collects on a cold surface. So for example, the weather is very cold. You can see the window. There's like a lot of water. So that's condensation. That's part of the condensation. The last two words here are gift and stem. Gift, again, we have different meanings of this gift. But today we're talking about the natural or your natural ability or talent. For example, you are given a talent or a gift of being excellent in playing musical instrument like guitar, drums. That's your gift. Yeah, talent like dancing. Yeah, that's a gift. That's what we're talking here. And another word here is stem. So stem again can be defined in different things, but here we are going to talk about the things where it come from, originate or origin. That's the stem here. All right. So this is the first part of my video, and please be sure to watch this video before doing your work or assignment quiz. As I've noticed that many of you are not following instructions or some are missing other activities that could lead you to get low scores. So again, please watch the video, and this is just the first part. Okay, I will just end this now. See you again later. Okay?